All right, so this is just the first test of just thing. So this is inspired by one of the I think this guy's name on Instagram? Cass comes with coffee or something. Cass don't like okay, so Cass don't like coffee. So he made a AI that pretty much watches you play Minecraft. And also this is gonna be different where this pretty this one doesn't roast when you're playing Minecraft. It's easy to do. This one roasts on what application you're on. If you're on VS Code or OBS or some other bullshit, you know. This is more to play on the character of Asuka from Neon Genesis Evangelion. So let's just run this real quick. And you can just hear the roast we're gonna make. No, I can't show you that. There you go. I'll let you know everything of the roasts are in here, all the audio files, and there's a roast a log one. Not gonna post that. Also add a notification where the AI will notify you that it had generated something from the AI and it's gonna roast your ass. Yeah, there you go. It did something. It's still in the working issue because the
Are
string's
you
too
kidding
long.
me? You're still stuck on this pathetic excuse for a coding
Yo,
project?
the fuck?
Main.py RoastBot vs Codium? You must be a shit-tier developer if you can't even get a decent name out of this mess, because from what I can see, it looks like your code is as useful as a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest.
Yo, wait, what is the log about? Are you kidding me? 35 of VS Code, shit, bro. You guys name out of Yo, if I would go play straight up this shit, yo, straight up play some Minecraft. I wonder what it's gonna say there. This went up to roast.
What the hell is wrong with you using roasts.log? RoastBot? VS Codium to try and make yourself sound smart? You're probably the same genius who thinks they can fix my Evangelion's mechanical issues with some duct tape and a prayer, right?
Yeah, this is gonna watch Minecraft 1.8.9, bro. What's it gonna do, bro? What's it gonna do? How will it roast me in Minecraft? I wonder. It's gonna lag my game so bad. Please don't lag. Please. This is using all my powers. Ollama shit. I'm recording and I'm getting cooked. I wonder what the
What
wait.
the hell? You're still playing Minecraft 1? 8.9? Fuck me sideways, dude. It's like you're stuck in a perpetual state of digital
Shut up.
puberty. Shit. Get with the times, Grandpa.
Yo. Right now, it doesn't let me watch me playing Minecraft, so it doesn't know I'm playing Bed Wars. But I think I should add where it would watch what you do on Minecraft. It's funny. It happens. I think Cat don't like my coffee made that already, so that is fun. I'll quickly tell you how I might put this on GitHub. Maybe I don't know yet. But where am I gonna go actually? Say now that I'm on Minecraft. Oh, crap, green. I wonder what the bot's gonna say. Oh, I'm glad I didn't see me do that. Get touched. Oh, what did I do to you, bro? I don't trust this man. Holy crap! Dude, what kind of bullshit you on, bro? Yo, nah. If I fell, and if this AI saw me fell, I'm not joining your ass. Peace out, boy. Hell nah. I'm not joining. Did the bug crash at all? I wonder if the bug been crashed.
Oh, great. Another brainless fuckwit like you who
Wait,
thinks they're smart enough to
wait.
use Prism
I just
Launcher.
read a
Newsflash,
notification.
pal.
Wait.
It's not rocket science, unless by rocket science you mean playing with your dick all day, in which case, carry on, shithead.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. I wonder what's gonna do when I'm on OBS. I wanna.
Jesus Christ on a motherfucking stick, you're still using OBS January 2nd, 31.
What
What
did
the
I do to
actual fuck is
anything?
wrong with you? Are you trying to make me cry myself to sleep tonight,
What
shit?
That's not do anything, bro. Do you know the yo? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop the recording before I get roasted more, bro. Bro, I wonder if I open the image, if I'll studio, is it gonna roast me? That's bullshit. I wonder what I roast when I open up a studio, bro. I wanna see what it says about when I open FL Studio.
Oh, great. You're still stuck on FL Studio? Shit, I've seen more innovative music production coming out of a nerve scientist's ass after a bad cup of coffee.
Wait,
At least their beats are gonna make Unit 01 wanna dance. Unlike your crap that'll put the audience to sleep faster than Ray's apathy.
oh, Grace, wait a second. What you still grateful so you can make production out of a nerd? I need to copy. I'll either you don't want to delay on tape. That'll put the sheets.
Oh, for tish's sake, you're still using roast.log?
Wait,
Fuck, get a new bot already. Your sad
she's
attempts at humor
silent?
are as lame as
Bro, I'm
Shinji's
actually getting
piloting
cooked.
skills.
Hold up, I'm actually getting cooked. I'm actually getting cooked here, bro. Also, I use Cartesia for TTS, and I use Pygate Windows to get the windows and shit. Let me show you the code base. Okay, it's pretty much, yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake, you're still installing FFmpeg. How about you just get your shit together and upgrade to something that doesn't make my eyes bleed, genius?
So right now it is saying you're a super ninja and Megalian roasted in one funny sarcastic sentence with creative amount of cursing like shit. And that is literally the prompt. Okay, so the API key should be in this file, but I'm not going to show you that because it's the API key.
Oh,
I can't show
great,
you
you're
the.
still stuck on that shit-ass
Shut up.
main.p, I script, wondering why it won't compile without puking up a bunch of errors. Hell, I'd rather pilot the EVA 01 into a swarm of angels than deal with this amateur hour coding nonsense. What a complete and utter load of crap.
So also I did use if you noticed I anime watched to gather the audio recording of Astuka English dub to clone so I can say what let's say for example it's a podcast and let's speak.
Welcome to today's episode. We have an exciting guest joining us to discuss the future of artificial intelligence. Cartesia, Liverwolf. Are you kidding me? Shit, that's a name that's almost as lame as your haircut, which looks like a reject from a bad 80s sci-fi movie.
What
And by
does
the well, Buckus, is your system even capable of handling the complexity of my genius level piloting skills?
shut up. I'm gonna roll it to oblivion, bro. What the fudge? Yeah, it's only finish on YouTube, dude. Let me go end this before it roast me more. Okay. Oh no, it did something.
Are you kidding me? What the actual fuck is wrong with
It
you people using PyGetWindow to scrape window
shut up.
information? Can't you see
Shut
I'm
up.
busy kicking angel ass and saving humanity from certain destruction while you're wasting your time on this irrelevant shit?
You know what? You're done. You're done, Asuka. You, get out of there. You're done. You logged the dude. You're okay. Okay, that is it for test number one. I'm gonna add some more stuff features to this little freaking program of mine. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I don't know what the fudge am I doing with my life. 10:55 p.m. I should be sleeping. I got shit to do in the morning. Well, let me go and straight up post this shit on YouTube and hope for the best. This is test number one of RoastBot. I'll put it on GitHub, maybe. I don't know yet. This right now, I'm gonna play around with it more. God, I'm so bored in the summer that I'm doing this shit. Thanks to Cast Only Coffee on Instagram for for inspiration. And I'm thinking of making it more of a PNG character too, where if it talks, it talks, but you know, and make it more interactive. For now, it's what it is. I have no idea. All right, good night. I'm done with this bullshit. I got roasted like 5 times in a row, well, more than 5 times this tonight, bro.